Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find all existing geometry dash codes easily. Firstly, open your web browser and go to gamerant.com/geometry-all existing codes. Once you're on the page, scroll through the article. GameRant provides a full list of currently working geometry dash codes, along with step-by-step instructions on how to redeem them inside the game. Each code is listed clearly, and the article is updated regularly, so you can be sure you're seeing the most recent and active ones. After you grab the codes you want, just head back to Geometry Dash and go to the Game, Vault or Code Entry section and type them in to unlock exclusive content. And that's it. It's super simple and only takes 1 minute. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.